Thank you for purchasing the template carousel guide. I'm just going to walk you through how to add the images to the carousel. Of course, this is something that's customizable according to your preferences, but this is just a basic overview of how I got mine going. Notice that there are 5 frames on the page. At the bottom, you'll also notice that there are 5 pages representing each of the 5 frames. I'm going to walk you through using 5 images representing again the 5 frames. Let's start with image number 1. Please ensure you're starting on page 1 each time you're working with a new image. So on page 1, I'm going to choose my first image labeled number 1, and my first image, I am dropping it into the middle frame. I'm going to go to page 2, and I am taking the same image, working with it 5 times, representing the 5 pages, and I'm dropping it to the left frame. On page 3, I'm taking image 1 and I'm dropping it to the back left frame. I'm taking image 1 and I'm on page 4, it's going into the back right frame. On page 5, image 1 is going to the right frame, the far right frame. So we are now complete with image 1. Let's move to image 2. Image 2 is going into, let's go back to page 1. Image 2, we're starting image 2 in the far right frame. On page 2, we're putting image 2 into the middle frame. On page 3, we're putting image 2 into the left frame. On page 3, we're putting image 2 into the back left frame. On page 5, we're putting image 2 into the back right frame. Go back to page 1, working with image 3. Image 3, we're starting image 3 in the back right frame. We are going to page 2, we're putting image 3 into the far right frame. We're going to page 4, we're putting image 3 into the middle frame, and on page 5, sorry, we missed a step right here, so let's delete this. On page 3, image 3 goes into the middle frame. On page 4, image 3 goes into the far left lane or frame, far left frame. And on page 5, image 3 goes into the back left frame. Now let's work again from page 1 with image 4. Image 4 starts off in the back frame to the left. Image 4 on page 2 is on the back frame to the right. Image 4 on page 3, it's in the right frame. Image 4 on page 4 is in the middle. And image 4 on 5th page is in the left frame, far left. So now it's easy to just drop our last picture in, just into the remaining frames. Okay, so now all the images are in. So what we're going to do now is that we're just going to do a preview of what this looks like. So I'm just going to do this here. Okay, so it went in the right order. So as you can see, it did take some time, around 4 to 5 seconds between, 4 to 5 seconds between each slide. So how do we change that? We click on the bottom here, and I'm going to put that to 1 second. And then we're going to slide this to apply to all slides. So now the time has been adjusted. You can adjust the time according to what you'd like. Now this is a very short carousel. If you'd like to extend the carousel, what you can do is highlight all 4 pages at the bottom. So just click on the Shift key if you're using a PC. And after doing that, you simply do duplicate. Sorry, let's do that again. Control D to duplicate. So now we have 10 pages, and this makes our carousel video a bit longer. So let's view it. Awesome. So there you go. The carousel video is ready, and you can go ahead and download your video and share it on your various social media feeds. Thank you for viewing. Have a good afternoon. Thank you for viewing.